Greetings, fellow astrologers. Welcome back to the Lilly Lectures. I am William Lilly, and today we are looking into a fascinating historical astrological inquiry from the pages of Christian astrology, where a concerned querent sought answers about the fate and whereabouts of his brother. Let us explore this intriguing chart together. My chart was set for the 7th of November, 1645, but taking future calendar changes into consideration, you should cast yours for the 17th of November, 1645 at 11:43 a.m. London, England, in order to follow along. The querent asked these questions. 1. Is he alive or dead? If deceased, was he killed by soldiers, given that our kingdom was filled with soldiers during this troubled time? 2. If he is alive, when will there be news about him? And where is he currently located? 3. When will he return home? Our journey begins with the first question. Is the absent brother alive or dead? We turn our attention to the ascendant, representing the querent. Saturn, as the lord of the ascendant, indicates lean and saturnine qualities in our querent. Taurus is the ascendant of the third house, with Venus as its lord, symbolizing the missing brother. Luckily, Venus remains unafflicted by Mercury or Mars. Additionally, the moon's favorable separation from Jupiter and its upcoming conjunction with the sun on the midheaven signal that the brother is indeed alive and in good health. Thus, there is no need to proceed with further inquiries regarding his well-being or potential harm. Now, on to the second question. When will the querent hear from his brother? To discern this, we analyze the positions of Venus and Saturn, lords of the third house and ascendant, respectively. Venus represents the missing brother, and Saturn, symbolizing our querent, form a friendly trine aspect. Despite Saturn's heaviness, its retrograde motion and wider degree within its sign suggest movement towards alignment with Venus. This indicates a high probability of receiving news soon. Upon consulting the ephemeris for November 7th, 1645, we find that this trine occurred around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, adjusted for the London meridian. Acting on this insight, I advised the querent to inquire with carriers in areas his brother had been. Remarkably, a carrier arrived around the same time, confirming his brother's good health and existence. Finally, we tackle the third question. Where is the missing brother currently located? To deduce this, we examine the journey of Venus, symbolizing the brother's whereabouts. Venus had transitioned from Sagittarius in the northeast to Capricorn in the south. This suggests he was in the southeastern region of his travels. Being not far from the ascendant and positioned in the eastern quarter of the sky, it indicated he was no more than a day or two's journey away from London. Furthermore, Venus's shift from Sagittarius to Capricorn, with essential dignities in triplicity and term, indicated he was leaving his previous location, possibly without possessions or habitation, to return to his house in London. Considering Venus was still 1 degree from fully exiting Sagittarius, we estimated his return in less than a week. In reality, he arrived home on the following Tuesday, coinciding with the moon's conjunction with Venus in Capricorn, where Venus held her terms and was within her diurnal triplicity. In this fascinating astrological journey, we've witnessed the harmonious interplay of celestial bodies, Saturn and Venus, guiding us to the answers sought by our querent. This method, applied judiciously, can unveil insights into any matters concerning the third house. Thank you for joining me on this astrological exploration. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars and seeking answers in the heavens. I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.